Happened a few weeks ago, and I still have a grin on my face. So I went downtown to this Mexican-themed local restaurant that makes arguably the best burritos in town. We went during lunch and had a few customers, but not overly crowded. There were 2 people in line, me and some woman, maybe 40 or so. Now I want to note something. If you want something like guacamole, sour cream, salsa, or anything like that that isn't beans, rice, or meat, it costs extra. All this is clearly stated on the menu board. So anyway, this woman orders 3 base ingredients along with a bunch of extras. The entire time, she's friendly with the guy making the burrito. It all goes to crap when this happens. E is the employee and B is the customer. E. That'll be $11.45. B. What the F? The menu said a burrito's $9. Why'd you jack up the price? Well, you got guacamole, pico, and salsa on your burrito. Those cost extra and add to the price. Well, how the hell was I supposed to know that? It's on the menu board. You should have seen it. I don't have time to read the entire menu. Either sell it to me for $9 or I'm going to talk to the owner. He's a good friend of mine. It always helps me out. First of all, I'm not going to give you a discount. Second, either pay for the burrito or leave. Third, I'm the owner and I've never met you. What happened afterwards was pretty much what I expected. B stormed out, flipped the owner off, saying she's never going to eat here again, and she's going to give it a 1-star review on Google. That'll show him. I suppose the owner simply ran out of patience. I walked up to the register and said I'd buy the burrito so it wouldn't go to waste. Good burrito, too. Hey guys, thank you all for watching the video to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.
Is that the Democrats, like the far left Democrats, for example, AOC and Ilhan Omar and Bernie Sanders, a lot of these people also wanted $2,000 in stimulus payments. They wanted to give Americans as much money as possible, and they were all excited. They were jumping on board. And when you have the President of the United States, a Republican, who's doing something and saying something that makes the far left really happy, well, that's going to anger all the other Republicans in the Senate. Plus, they didn't want to lose a lot of these pork barrel projects, a lot of this ridiculous spending that's been itemized for, overseas, hundreds of millions of dollars going to Egypt, for example, and hundreds of millions of dollars going to all these other programs in countries that aren't the United States of America. So that's basically where you got the anger. And the president, he drew it out for as long as possible. Yesterday, at 8:30 p.m., Sunday night, when everybody was, I don't know what you were doing on Sunday night. You were watching football, or you were still, catching up on Hallmark holiday movies that you hadn't yet watched over the holiday break. Maybe you were taking down your Christmas decorations. Who knows what you were doing. But at 8:30 p.m. Sunday night, Donald Trump, President of the United States, signed the bill. Wasn't happy about it, did it begrudgingly, called it a disgrace, but signed it anyway.
I'm just making a deposit into my checking account.
Deposit to checking?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, give me 1 minute, okay?
All right.